Delapena honing equipment was established 92 years ago. It was a company that's always been in the UK. It started off in the north of England, but found its way to Cheltenham, and that's where it's housed today. We're a self-sufficient business. We manufacture all of our product in-house, and that goes from the machine tools right through to the tooling and the abrasives. We sell our product globally, with the majority of our product being sold across the European continent, but we are selling in all the other areas of the world. It's becoming a very, very successful business today, and as such, we are always looking for the next most exciting opportunity. We're here at Autosport because we've engaged in an automotive arrangement with a company from the United States. This arrangement is probably outside of what people would normally understand us to be involved in, where we've focused in recent years purely on the industrial market. However, my relationship with the company in the United States goes back many, many years, and the person that is here today is Anthony Usher. And Anthony and myself met in the early days of our lives back in South Africa when I was a distributor and he was a manufacturer.
Rottler Manufacturing is a company in Seattle, USA. We design, develop and manufacture machine tools. We specialize in the automotive aftermarket, and we've developed software systems to run these machines. And this day and age, we're very much involved in small batch manufacturing, racing industry, vintage industry, people making small volumes of stuff. We're making the machines and software to do this work.
The relationship as we are today is that we will be representing all of Rottler's machines in the United Kingdom, and reciprocally they'll be looking after our machines some of our machines in the United States that we associate with the automotive industry. Our speed hone EAS model, although it's been designed for the industrial arena, is now being adapted now to the automotive industry for Rottler Honing. This is a product that is desperately needed by Rottler, and so therefore this partnership really starts to gel.
Well, Rottler have been in the honing business for about 25 years, but we just a few years ago developed a brand new CNC honing system that's patented, unique, and we're advancing into many more different industries. And we partnered with Delapena late last year so that we can expand our knowledge and combine the knowledge of Rottler and Delapena together. So together we can grow into more applications outside the automotive industry.
We are extremely excited with this opportunity in the automotive sector. What is happening in this world today is the engine is becoming far more sophisticated, far more demanding in regard to surface finish, tolerance, and we are from that industry in the industrial world. So the automotive is a natural fit for us now, and we see going forward that our association and our history of the product and our knowledge of honing will absolutely support this relationship with Rottler.